What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning into my channel, Jace's Own World. I don't know if you just saw that, but my car just did a little blip. Hey, just real quick, this is going to be a really quick video. I have come across a little post from someone who wrote this years ago for this car regarding some of the issues that they've been having with their car. And so I'm going to post that link into the description of this video, so check out the link. For those of you who have been having the same symptoms as me on their car, this is another update. The symptoms that I've been having for years is bucking on my car at very light throttle in any gear and low RPMs. I've also been having some stuttering in the morning on first drive when the car is cold and not up to temperature on the oil, and it will misfire and stutter. I've been having those for years. What I've been having recently, the symptoms are a lot of fuel odor smells inside the cabin, and the fuel odors do not come from the engine bay. I've also been having some hard starting issues where the car struggles to stay started, so the car will crank over on the first or second crank just fine, but if I don't give the car any gas, the car will want to stall on its own and then restart and do that process over. That does not happen when the car is cold. It only happens when the car has already been warmed up, number one. Number two, when it's hot outside. And number three, when I go grocery shopping and I come back to the car and I try starting it. And that's when it happens. It does not happen when the oil and the temperature of the engine is cold. My next symptom is been having some difficulties filling the gas tank up. And then the next symptom is I've been having some very, very low gas mileage. So those are the symptoms of my car. If you've been having any of those symptoms in your car, or if you're just curious, if you're a owner of this car, or even, coming from a different platform and you might be having similar symptoms or whatever, you're just curious, go click on the link of that description, because I think that the issues that I've been having have 100% been in relation to fueling issues. And so I've been saying this for quite a while. So, in my last videos I said I was going to buy a low pressure fuel pump and then the suction jet pump. I have already ordered those. I have already received my low pressure fuel pump, and it's a stock one. I'm not upgrading anything or anything like that. I'm still keeping it 100% stock on the fueling. Just want to throw that out there. But I'm just buying the new parts for it. So I bought both of those parts. I already have the low pressure fuel pump, and the suction pump should be delivered by this coming Monday, if I haven't posted this on Monday. So that's that. But if you click on the link, a few of the people in this post that this person made, including the guy who posted it, said he was having some issues where the car would not stay on when he started it, and it would want to die on itself. And after a bunch of other people coming in there and commenting and stuff, a couple other people said that they had the same problem, and that they were looking at fuel trims and stuff like that through VCDS, which I've done, and it shows that the pressure readings are fine. So that's why I never replaced any of my fuel pumps beforehand. But this guy said he's, another guy that posted it in this thread said that he's had mechanics and VW technicians and stuff look at it, and everything was fine. But it ended up being the high pressure fuel pump after all of the tests came back that it wasn't. He said he replaced the high pressure fuel pump and it went away. So I decided last night, as I was looking at this, to also purchase a new stock high pressure fuel pump. So to wrap this video up, I have purchased a low pressure fuel pump, the suction jet pump, and also a high pressure fuel pump. My plan is to install the low pressure fuel pump and the suction jet pump first, take for a drive, report back to you guys, and tell you if that fixed anything. After that, I'm going to replace my high pressure fuel pump, install that, and then report back if that changed anything. That way, I'm not just installing everything at once, and it doesn't really like give you guys any idea which product was the culprit of the issue that I've been having. So that's the plan that I have for the future videos. I will be receiving all of my parts within a week, and I will report back to you when I install my low pressure fuel pump and my suction jet pump, and go from there. So until the next video, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.